as your hero. There is some other your friends or
Yeah.
so you say that's not only a past hero but in future.
Yeah.
What is in future?
Oh wow. Talking about hero. In nowadays, my hero only my mom and then my best friend. When I got a little problem with my friend or my teacher or my student, you know what? I myself always sharing my problem only my best friend. Because when I sharing for love, he always understand on me, you know what? Always, when I, share something, my problem, with my sister, my problem with my mother, I just share for him, just. But hero is who has so close with you.
So that means that someone who care about you and then close to you is you're considered they are as your hero.
Yeah.
Ah,
That's why I myself, when I'm talking my hero, when I am give a goodness and a badness, not badness, it's only goodness, good thing, something learn English together, knowledge very important. When they are shared for them, for those people and the villager, this is my hero, including that my hero. Because doing the goodness, not the badness.
so someone do something to you and then you consider
Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I am. Alright, Mr. Kid, we have question.
Question please. So,
Nice.
oh,
It's just like questions I asked to him, to Mr. Kausar. Is there somebody you previously regarded as your hero, and you do not regard him as your hero at this present time and now? I mean, he showed you his credit. He aided you in terms of learning, for example. And due to various problems, he leaves to somewhere else, or he passed. Oh, it's impossible. And he betrayed you, for example. He betrayed you, and you do not put your trust anymore on him. Is he still your hero? Or you may, when you encounter him, do you say, he is my hero, or he was my hero?
Oh, right.
He is my
Yeah.
hero. He was.
Yeah. When but no one betrayed me nowadays. No one, even including my friend, my best friend, never betrayed me. When my friend betrayed me, you know what? Yeah, he was my hero. Only that. I never trust that guy anymore because you know what? Even though that's my best friend, my soulmate, my close friend, yeah, only one time they are breaking on me, but I do not trust him anymore. That's what the point. Trusting very important. But we have no idea about that for future, right? Because totally hard how to find a good people. Totally hard. Very hard how to find people. Our best friend very